Sorbet's a light and refreshing dessert, and what makes sorbet different to a gelato or ice cream is there's no dairy whatsoever in it. It's actually really easy to make at home. Now, I always have a stash of frozen fruits in my freezer, just like a pack of pineapple, banana and mango, and it makes the best tropical sorbet. Just a few ingredients and you've got a fast snack or dessert ready on hand. So you need about 500 to 600 grams of frozen fruit. One pack and about half of this pack. And I want to balance out the creaminess of the banana and the mango, so I'm going to add some lime juice. Now, we know limes aren't around all season, can also be really expensive. So again, having some lime juice on standby in the freezer is really handy for something like this. So I just need 1 cube of lime juice. I could just pop that out and in it goes. To make this extra special, I've just made a very simple sugar syrup here. Sugar, water, and some ginger, and I've finely grated the ginger. So in with that, and I'm going to blend this until it starts to go really smooth. Then I want to show you a little trick that all my chef friends have taught me to make the perfect sorbet. All right, this is looking fantastic. And if you wanted to eat this straight away, go for it, it's the perfect consistency. But to ensure that it doesn't crystallize and so it stays really creamy, what I add is an egg white. Yes, this is the trick. So just 1 egg white, and we're going to give it a really good mix again so it's super pureed and glossy. See how whipped it is? That's the egg white in there. We've almost made it into a meringue. So I'm going to take the blade out into the container and then into the freezer for a bit to chill. All right, let's serve this up. Ooh, still super fluffy. And I'm serving it almost soft serve like. Look at that, so creamy without any cream whatsoever. Another one just over here. That. And just to make it look extra special, a sprig of mint just on the top. That's an elegant dessert done in minimal time. Tropical sorbet, refreshing. That's a taste of summer right there.